Hi, my name is Jen and I'm a senior interior designer at Showhome, and today we're at the brand new Cascade Showhome in Sirocco. For the design inspiration on this Showhome, I wanted to do a warm neutral palette. I wanted to showcase how you can choose neutral selections and really add pops of color throughout art, furniture, and decor. The kitchen in this home, I wanted to keep it feeling light, fresh, and airy. I chose a white cabinet, white countertops, and a white backsplash to keep that open, bright feel. The backsplash, although it is a white color, comes with a variant so you get a bit of texture and contrast from piece to piece. I installed this in a brick pattern to add a little bit more texture and to bring more character to the space. I added pops of color in the kitchen with the gold in the faucet and in the hardware, and then throughout the accessories in the decorating. The main floor living space, I really wanted it to feel like a cozy gathering area. I furnished it with a large sectional to show that you can have lots of family and friends over for a game night or hanging out. I added in pops of color to the space to bring in some warmth and fun using dusty pinks and greens. I wanted the main floor to feel like the central part of the home where everyone could come in and gather. I wanted this home to feel cohesive from the main floor up to the second floor. I used the same accent paint at the main floor and carried it up the stairwell to the bonus room to really tie the two spaces together. For the primary bedroom, I used color as my main design element. I chose to use greens as an accent and continuing that through the wallpaper, bedding, lamps, art, furniture, and decor. I wanted to showcase that you can keep a neutral palette throughout the home and really make a space unique by adding in pops of color and texture. In the ensuite, I extended the mirror to the ceiling for a more luxurious feel. I love how this simple detail can really elevate the space. For the kids' rooms, I wanted to add a pop of fun to each space while keeping within the overall palette of the home. To tie into the pinks at the main floor, I did a fully pink room, including all the walls being pink, the furniture, the art, and the accessories. I also brought in blue to the other bedroom and did a similar tone-on-tone idea, but also added in some extra accents of color. In this room, I wanted to theme it towards Lego, so I used a lot of those primary colors that you see in Lego and tied those in throughout the space. In this home, my favorite part for sure was definitely the accessorizing, picking the furniture, and all of the art. Adding in that layer of vibrancy through the colors and the wood textures and the different fabrics and metals is what really brings it to life. Come check us out. We're located at 361 Creekside Drive Southwest. Can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you for watching.